In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to split cells in LibreOffice Writer. We'll keep this quick and easy to follow. So if you're working with tables in a Writer document and need to divide one cell into multiple sections, this process is very straightforward. First, open LibreOffice Writer and go to the document that contains the table you want to edit. If your table is already created, you're ready to begin. If not, make sure you're inside the document where the table appears, because cell splitting only works once you've selected a cell within that table. Next, click on the specific cell that you want to split. This is important because LibreOffice needs to know exactly which cell you want to modify before it shows the correct options. Once the cell is selected, look toward the bottom of your screen and find the split cells icon. Click that icon and a pop-up window will appear. In that pop-up, you'll be able to choose how many parts you want the selected cell to be divided into. This lets you control the layout depending on how you want your table to look. For example, you might want to break one larger cell into two smaller sections or into several parts if you need more detailed organization. After choosing the number of parts, select the direction for the split. You can split the cell horizontally or vertically depending on the structure you need. A horizontal split will create sections stacked one above another, while a vertical split will create sections side by side. Take a moment to choose the option that best fits the information you plan to place in the table. Once you've set the number of parts and selected the split direction, click OK to apply the change. LibreOffice Writer will immediately split the cell based on the settings you selected. And that's it. Your table cell has now been split successfully. As a quick tip, after splitting a cell, you may want to adjust the content or spacing inside the new sections so the table stays neat and easy to read. This can be especially helpful if you're formatting forms, schedules, or structured documents where clean table organization matters. Thanks for watching, and now you know how to split cells in LibreOffice Writer. In